students are affected by false fire alarms in residence halls. Students at the University of Dayton are waking up in the middle of the night and are rushing out of their dorms in response to false fire alarms. These false fire alarms are the result of student pranks or the misuse of microwaves. This issue needs to be addressed before tragedy strikes at UD. Yo! 20 minutes for popcorn? Do you want to start a fire? At Seton Hall University in 2000, 3 students were killed and many others were injured due to a fire in the middle of the night. It is time to take action at UD to prevent this type of tragedy from happening on our own campus. Yo, Aiden! Yo, your alarm's going off, dude. Alright, come out. Alright, I'm coming. University of Dayton needs to implement a solution in order to stop this ongoing problem in UD residence halls.